Hello everyone, welcome to the M3 Academy. Today we are learning about the muscles, nerves, exceptions. And first of all, we are taking the glossal muscles. So all muscles ending with the glossal are supplied by the glossal nerve, means the hypoglossal nerve, except the palatoglossus because it has name palate. So इसको कौन सप्लाई करेगा? इसको सप्लाई करेगा वेगस. So how you can remember this? वेग से पलट, पलट वेग से पलट मीन्स वेगस किसको सप्लाई करेगी? पैलेट को. एक्सेप्ट टेंसर विलाई पैलेटाइन, इसमें पैलेट आता है बट यहाँ पे टेंसर है. So all the muscle in the head and beginning with the tensor are supplied by the trigeminal nerves division, third division, mandibular nerve. So how you can remember this? Tensor and the mandibular tension. Where we have the tension? We have tension in the mind. So tensor nerve. So tensor muscle are supplied by the mandibular or trigeminal nerve. So you can remember like tension in mind. Tension in mind. Is it clear? Now next thing is all the muscle uh, of infrahyoid origin. All the infrahyoid muscle are supplied by the ansa cervicalis, except thyrohyoid, which is supplied by the hypoglossal nerve. So you can remember this all strap muscle, all as A and S, all strap muscle supplied by ansa cervicalis. So you can remember in this way. यहाँ पे अपन लिखेंगे all स्ट्रैप मसल. A4 यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? अंसा. और S4 यहाँ पे हो जाएगा cervicalis, ansa cervicalis. So A and S you can make and say all the strap muscle are supplied by the ansa cervicalis. Is that clear? Except thyroid, which is supplied by the hypoglossal nerve. Hypoglossal nerve. जो thyroid है वो थोड़ी different है. वो किससे सप्लाई होती है? हाइपोग्लोसल से. सो थायरो मीन्स थोड़ी ठिठुरी है मसल, तो कहाँ चल जाएगी? नीचे हाइपोग्लोसल में. आगे अपन देखते हैं यहाँ पे ऑल द मसल ऑफ द फेरिंग्स आर सप्लाइड बाय द वेगस. सो हाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस? फेरिंग्स एंड विद द एस, एज यू राइट फेरिंग्स एफ PHAR Y and X. So pharynx में क्या आता है? X. तो X cranial nerve means the 10th cranial nerve. So pharynx end with the X. X means the 10th cranial nerve means the vagus. So all the muscle of the pharynx are supplied by the vagus except stylopharyngeus, which is supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve. So tell me who are living in the style. तो style में कौन रहती है? तो यहाँ पे कह सकते हो आप style में कौन रहती है? Girls. So girls are living in the style. So stylopharyngeals are supplied by the glossopharyngeal. Is it clear? Now, next is all the muscle of the mastication are supplied by the mandibular nerve, again the trigeminal. And the next thing is the scar mnemonic. So what is a scar mnemonic? S means superior laryngeal nerve, supply the cricothyroid muscle, and all other muscle are supplied by the recurrent laryngeal nerve. So please note this all the points in your flashcard, which is surely helpful to you.